So this is the gazebo I need. Not like what Costco has to offer. This is a little better. And so I need 8 of those beams. Where is this here? 4x4? I would guess 4x4. And then they split left and right. And they have a frame on top there out of 3 2x4s, or is this more? No, this is more, right? This is 2x10, right? No, 2x6? 2x6? Is it what it is? Those? 3 of those. They go all the way around. Right? And then it has a roof on it. And that is sealed so that the birds and whatnot cannot go in there, even though you do have here in this area those insects that are building their little housings here. So wasp nest and stuff like that is still going to go in there. So that's going to happen. And then they have those bugs that drill holes into the wood and make that their home. But okay, so you can screen this in, and then you just make here this, whatever you need here, to do like a visual thing. And then for the flooring, I need to put those out here. Yeah, and then you have a nice area here. I wonder how much that's gonna be. And they did a very easy here support there, you know, and this thing is gonna last 20 years at least, if not longer. So yeah, that's what I need. The size also, I think, is to my liking. Just have to see how much I need. Yeah, I wonder how tall this is. So since I'm recording this with the iPhone, and I want to have this as a sample, so it would be good to know the dimensions of this gazebo. So I'm gonna switch to screen recording, and then I'm gonna measure this thing quick.